Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good morning, we will be presentation our project entitled PBL, Automatic Fish Feeding Mobile Application. Muhammad Fajri M. Nurul Nasrullah as project manager, with me as group leader Mutyadianti, and group members Tri Emandani, Niklas Rizkia Pandiangan, Ikan Afifa Original Foto, Zahira Salsabila. Next, project description. Automatic fish feeding mobile application is an integration between mobile application and IoT system to create a system that can feed fish automatically in an aquarium. Next, contribution of PBL. First, computer system administration. Course of administration explain network configuration on Linux as well as other server. Second, object programming. Course of application of object-oriented programming concept in application development. Third, multimedia IoT system. This course involves the strategic use of technology to enhance the experience of analyzing multimedia data. 4. Statistics. This course is the basic of statistics, data collection planning, and its application in informatics. 5. General English. This course helps to deepen and apply English language and information delivery better than before. 6. Civic education. This course discusses the implementation of civic education and broadening the horizon of the archipelago in project. 7. Mobile programming. This course is about mobile programming, providing multimedia content info and connecting application with device. Next, project output. First, final report. Second, application. Third, manual book. 4. Application demo video. 5. Posters scientific. 6. HKI.
History project in form of logbook. This logbook includes date, activities that we did, and important notes during the project. Some support documents that are the result of the planning and development process of this project. Starting from the RPP, END, use case, UI mockup, functional and non-functional requirement, PPT, system overview, demo video, guidebook, final report, HKI, scientific, poster, implementation, and website code testing. A. Project implementation achievement on the main login and registration page. First, main page. When a user opens the application, initial page only displays the main logo of the application, which is only brief display. Second, login page. In the login form, user can input their username and password. Then press the login button. Then user will succeed and be directed to register page. Third, registration page. In the registration form, prospective user can complete form provided where in the registration form, prospective user will be asked to fill in a username, password, repeat password, email, and cell phone number.
This is a project implementation achievement on homepage, account, and short-term feeding. 4 is a homepage. In this homepage, user can see the next feeding time, current connection, and other features, short-term feeding, long-term fish feeding, and feeding schedule. 5 is account page. In this account page, user can change account, and user can also delete their account when they are done using it. Next, short-term feeding. Short-term feeding is only intended for manual feeding. Simply click the round button until it's turned orange to drop the feed into the aquarium, and to stop it, click the button again until it's turned green. Next is a project implementation achievement on long-term feeding, feeder schedule page. 7 is long-term feeding. Long-term feeding is setting a feeding schedule for a fish over a long period of time, usually for many days. 8 is a feeder schedule page. Next, we have the feeder schedule feature, which is useful for helping users set up automatic fish feeding routine.
Project implementation achievement on the settings page. 9. Settings page. At the list setting page, user can ensure that they are given the opportunity to customize the app according to their needs and desires. B. Part of the project that describes the relationship with the course. IoT. This course begins to integrate and manage defense technologies as well as develop complex IoT and multimedia system with diverse features. C. Member duties and contributions. The following is the division of tasks in our group. 1. Idea and concept web application. Working member is Mutia Dianti, Tri Amandani, Nikos Rizkia Panjangan, Pinggana Afifah Gilkoto, and Zahira Salsabila. 2. Designing mockup. Working member is Pinggan Afifah and Zahira Salsabila. 3. Manual book. Working member is Mutia Dianti. 4. Logbook. Working member is Mutia Dianti. 5. ERD and use case. Working member Mutia Dianti and Zahira Salsabila. 6. Poster. Working member is Mutia Dianti and Pinggan Afifah. 7. PPT and HKI. Working member is Mutia Dianti and Zahira Salsabila. 8. Final report. Working member is Mutia Dianti. 10. Coding adding to database. Working member is Niklaus and Tri Amandani. Next, debugging, testing, and deployment. Working member is Niklaus and Tri Amandani. And the last video demo, working member is Mutia Dianti, Tri Amandani, Niklaus, Pinggan, and Zahira Salsabila.
Next, the problem and solution. Problems number 1, there is problem with the database analysis to be used. Solution number 1, verify that the create schema match the database. Problems number 2, some code is wrong. Solution number 2, we'll check in the code and ensure the syntax. Next, UI mockup of project result. So this is the final our design UI mockup on Figma. If you guys wanna see it, you guys can click this link section or scan this barcode code to see our design on Figma. And the last F, closing. Thank you for your attention and time. If you have any question, please leave a message in the comment section provide. We hope you all can understand our explanation properly. See you again. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.